a Customer Choice Award-winning food brand. You know them for the best on-the-go food for those meatballs. But look, what is it all about? The sauce.
All the sauce.
All the sauce. And this, you're getting 4 of the 24-ounce jars of the mushroom or the Homestyle sauce, or you can get a combo where you're getting 2 jars of each. Your price on this, $35.98. Your easy pay is $11.99. The price on this is going away at the end of our big 6-hour gourmet holiday today. So don't wait on this. People ask for it, but guess what? It's the lowest price that we have ever offered this at. We're talking about under $9 per jar of literally gourmet sauce that you feel like your grandma made.
Yes, and these are my grandmother's recipes, Malifa, exactly.
That's Daniel Mancini, by the way.
How are you? So, you know, we started 10 years ago on QVC,
That's right?
All the meatballs have sauce with it. And then we graduated to putting the sauce in pouches because you've asked for the sauce separately. And then you said, give it to us in jars so we can load up and put it in the pantry.
Right.
And that's what we have today. The 2 choices. You have the mushroom.
Yes.
Right? And then you have the Homestyle. Both have been fan favorites, but never at this price.
Okay, let's just talk about your grandma's recipes, because this, you're the one in the family that locked on. It's always one in the family, isn't it? That always wants to be up under grandma, and you learn everything that they do. And that's really is kind of what happened.
Yes, that's, you know what? Exactly what happened. They came from Italy in 1921. We were fortunate enough to grow up in the house with my grandmother. Let me put some cheese on this one here. She can't have enough cheese. And I, you know, side by side, I learned all her recipes. And you're going to see a picture of my grandmother holding me in the backyard of the home in Brooklyn, obviously many years ago. And I learned all the recipes. And I realized at some point that, you know, it's time to bring them to all of America to try. But the sauce, so you know, here is the only place you can get the sauce.
That's it.
Nowhere else.
Nope.
Nowhere else.
And what makes the sauce so special? Oh boy, let's talk about it. So this is the mushroom.
Yes.
What's in it?
So we start with crushed tomatoes. Now, if you take a look at this, what you're seeing is a deep red sauce, right? We start with crushed tomatoes.
Beautiful
we add some diced tomatoes to this. You have the onions, the garlic, you have the parsley, and then we saute some mushrooms, and we add the mushrooms. I have to tell you, this sauce is absolutely delicious. And look how chunky it is. I'm going to put some in a little bowl for you.
Yes, I can't wait to taste it.
If that's okay?
Yes, please.
You can taste it that way.
Thank you.
And you're going to taste all those ingredients. So that's the mushroom. And I have to tell you, I love the mushroom. Use it on your pastas, use it on eggplant parms, or just use it on anything a stew if you choose. But what I love about it is these jars are safe in your pantry up to a year. And today, to have this,
you can eat it straight out the jar.
I have to tell you, I do sometimes.
Literally, you can eat it straight out the jar. It's so good.
Isn't that delicious?
This is the thing. When you see the sauce, you go, it's beautiful right out of the jar.
Yes.
But you smell it. Like literally when the table was over there and we were off waiting to come on, it smells divine. So you smell the mushrooms and you smell the garlic and the onions slowly cooked down, not missing any of the flavor. And what's so good about it is you taste it. It literally does taste like your grandma made.
And we don't add preservatives. We're not loading it up with all that junk you don't want to enjoy. And here is the Homestyle. So the Homestyle is really special.
Right.
So I'm going to give you some here to try. So the Homestyle, again, we start with the crushed tomatoes. We add some diced tomatoes. And you look at it, you have all these herbs. So you have the parsley, you have the onions, you have the garlic, right? But what we do here is we add some bell peppers that we saute, and then we add some Romano cheese. And that's what you're tasting in there, that whole burst of flavor.
It's the bell peppers.
It's the bell peppers.
It's the bell peppers.
Right? Yes.
Now that really reminds me of my mom. Let me tell you. So my mom just celebrated her heavenly 69th birthday.
God bless her.
This past week. She loved pasta. It was her jam. And she always put bell peppers in her sauce.
It's a secret,
taste this.
right?
It is a secret.
It is a secret.
This totally reminds me of the sauce my mom used to make. This is so good.
Isn't that delicious? And the jar is, you know, each jar is 24 ounces. So each jar is going to cover an entire pound of pasta.
Yeah.
So when you look at the math on this, it's, you know, a couple bucks a serving, even with the pasta. But, you know, we made pizzas with this. I mean, look how delicious this is. You buy, this is Italian bread cut in half. Sausage, peppers, and onions, and use that sausage, the one that has the bell peppers in it. And then we just have chicken parm, and we did some mussels. But you know what? At the end of the day, we enjoy it always with pasta. And during the week,
it's easy. It's what the kids want. Right?
Yes.
The kids are so picky. If you have the little ones,
look at this.
They love pasta. It's their kind of go-to food. Pasta should be one of the food groups when it comes to kids, because this is what they eat. You can get this for the lowest price we've offered and on auto delivery.
Amazing.
At this price. So lock it in, $35.98. Remember, the price going away at the end of our big 6-hour block today. So shop for all 4 jars in the mushroom. If you want all mushroom, 500 left. You can shop all 4 jars in the Homestyle. We have 800 there. And then you can get the combo where you're getting 2 of each. See, we have 1,600 to go around, and that's been the most popular choice.
Yes.
I am telling you, lock this in on auto delivery every 60 days for a year. If you feel like once the auto delivery comes that you're still good, you can ship it to somebody else. That's the beautiful thing. Or you can pause it and say, I don't need it this 60 days. I'll wait the next go round. But that's what's nice about getting it on auto delivery. But I mean, it's one of the things literally that I keep in my house. Like, we always have sauce on hand.
You have to.
Always.
You have to, because, you know,
It's so versatile.
Right during the week, you come home from work, you're tired, or you decide, what are we going to have for dinner? Simple. Open up a jar, put it in a pot, heat the sauce up, which takes all of like 3 to 5 minutes. Boil your pasta, and you have an entire dinner on the table in 12 to 15 minutes, and it's good for you. This is not sauce that you see in a supermarket, because again, we do not sell this to anyone else. You do not see the sauce in the supermarket loaded with all that junk.
You coming in
this
for
is
the sauce,
real
Jane?
deal. Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Would you like to try the little mushroom? Absolutely.
It's really good. That mushroom is yummy. That would be the one that my daughter would love. Yeah.
Well, you know, it's so
like
so often. I think this.
That's yours.
Okay.
Yep.
When you're buying a jar of sauce, you have to doctor it
You
up.
do.
You can't just eat it.
I say you have to zhuzh it.
You always have to add stuff.
Right?
You do.
No zhuzh required.
No zhuzhing. And also, you don't have to worry about picking it up and reading the label like in the supermarket and say, why does it have all these crazy ingredients?
Flavor.
Isn't that delicious?
Yeah.
So,
really good.
So what that is tomatoes that are crushed. We add some diced tomatoes to give it a little texture, right? And then we add the onions, the garlic, and then we saute in some mushrooms, but just a taste of mushrooms.
That's good.
When people
look
try
at the
this,
color.
they love this sauce.
I love that.
Color on this.
And this, with your chicken parmesan.
Oh, yeah.
We've got those nuggets coming up.
Oh,
Yes.
This would be perfect for the, nuggets.
I put sauce on everything. Literally,
Yeah.
I literally love sauce on everything. I have had rice where I've thrown some of this sauce on before. That's so good
That's
that I made it
delicious.
with like
That's a
chicken
good
on the
idea.
side. Yep. So
Here's
it's
some of
and
the
the kids,
Homestyle.
they love sauce. There's nothing like pasta and sauce. That's what I said. This should be the food group for the kids, because this is what they
You're
eat.
absolutely right.
You taste that bell pepper, right? In that one?
Isn't that delicious?
It's that bell pepper in
I
the
like
home
the
style.
texture too.
Yeah.
It's got like a nice, like hearty texture.
Yeah.
To it.
You taste those tomatoes.
Like
not
Mama
overly,
made it.
I
Mama
know.
made it.
She did.
Right, she truly did. We follow, I remember being in the kitchen with my grandmother, always started with whole tomatoes, which we do.
That's
And
right.
then we crush them. We don't, we don't start it even at home, with this sauce with pre-crushed tomatoes.
That's
we
right.
crush the whole tomatoes. We dice the tomatoes, onion, garlic, basil, bay leaf, simple ingredients, the bell pepper in this. And here you have the mushrooms, and you have the Romano cheese, which gives it that burst.
Yeah.
That's so delicious.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really good sauce.
Well, listen, if you're shopping, the combo has been really popular where you can get 2 of each, 2 of the mushroom and 2 of the home style. Now, if you're shopping for the mushroom only, 400 left. That's it. If you're shopping for the home style, 700. And then the combo, 1,300 left. Over 1,000 of these have been picked up. Remember, lock in the price on auto delivery. That's every 60 days for a year, and it's the lowest price we've ever offered this to you at. So this is nice because, again, you can have sauce all the time. I put sauce on everything. I'm a dipper. So from my chicken to my beef to my pasta to my rice to my quinoa, my grains, I love sauce and all of that because to me it just bumps up the flavor, and now I don't have to do all the hard work to make it.
Yeah, and it's ready in minutes. And if you were to make this, you would have to buy, let's say, a can of the whole tomatoes, crush it, get the diced tomatoes. Take hours to put together because when you read the ingredients, when you get this home, you're going to say it's exactly what we said this was. There's no, I use the word junk. There's no junk in this. It's not loaded with all the ingredients that you don't want to have. And you know what? It stays in your pantry for a year.
Yeah, that's nice. A whole year.
So that auto delivery is brilliant. You know what I call the auto delivery? I call it the safety net.
It's true. Because you don't want to be without it.
You don't want to be, especially at this price.
Yeah, you don't want to be without it. On those days where you're super busy, you haven't even thought about what to eat. Did you know there's a fact that most people don't think about dinner until 4 p.m. and by then it's too late? I know.
That's exactly right.
So on those days, and it gets busy and it's okay because we all have those days. That's where you go, I know I got pasta sauce in the pantry, right? I know I have some broccoli or some sort of vegetable. I know I have pasta. I can throw this meal together in 15, 20 minutes and we're at the table having a really good dinner. So you can get this home and lock it in on that auto delivery because you can get it every 60 days for a year. We're foodies at home, so I would get this and then I probably would send the next auto delivery to my uncle. He would appreciate that.
Oh, that's so nice.
Because you can do that on auto delivery. M133662, that's your item number. Remember, price is going away at the end of our big 6-hour block today, so do not wait on this. Thank you so much,
Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.
So coming up in a little bit, we're going to take a little trip.